Hello, what's up, guys? Back again with me, the Javalea channel. People say Makassar has two faces, one at sunrise with its hustle and bustle, and another at sunset. Good evening from Kota Deng. Tonight, join me in enjoying the Mamiri breeze and the sparkling lights of Losari Beach. It's not just about the scenery, but also about the feelings and stories behind Makassar's nightlife. Let's get started. The city's name has changed several times for political and identity reasons. 1971 became Ujung Pandang. The mayor at the time changed the name Makassar to Ujung Pandang. The reason was to separate the city name from the name of one ethnic group, the Makassares, making it more neutral and inclusive of all ethnicities in South Sulawesi. 1999, returned to Makassar. During the administration of President B.J. Habibie, the city's name was returned to Makassar. The reason was that the name Makassar had a much stronger historical value and had been internationally recognized for centuries. The end of 2025, December 25th, 2025, this History of Makassar City 2025 review will cover the city's long journey from the kingdom era to the significant achievements that have occurred throughout 2025. 2025 is a crucial year for infrastructure development and the recovery of the creative economy in Makassar. The following events are part of this year's history. Hey, 418th anniversary, November 9th, 2025. Makassar celebrated its 418th anniversary last month. This year's celebration focused on knitting harmony, building togetherness. Unlike previous years, which may have been more ceremonial, the 2025 celebrations focused more on social activities, folk games festivals, and social empathy. 418th anniversary. 2025 marks a new milestone in sports infrastructure. The long-awaited construction of Sudiang Stadium finally received clarity and budget allocation, approximately 649 billion Indonesian rupiah from the state budget, with construction beginning this year. This marks a new symbol of the progress of public facilities in Makassar. 418th anniversary. Makassar as a festival city, F8 and calendar of events. Throughout 2025, Makassar will strengthen its position as a global event city. The city government launched and successfully hosted dozens of events in the Calendar of Events City of Makassar 2025, with F8, Makassar International 8 Festival and Forum, remaining a leading attraction, attracting international tourists. Political and social stability. As the gateway to Eastern Indonesia, Makassar in 2025 will continue to maintain its stability amidst national political dynamics, strengthening its position as a logistics and connectivity hub for Eastern Indonesia. Summary of today's conditions. December 2025. Today, Makassar has evolved from an ancient port into a modern metropolis that maintains its cultural heritage, such as the world-famous Koto and Palubasa culinary delights. Developments in 2025 lay the foundation for Makassar to become a true world city in the future. Here, night isn't about darkness. Night at CPI is about the painting of light dancing on the water. Behold the majestic 99-dome mosque. Standing proud with its exotic colors, it's like a jewel placed by God on the shores of the Makassar Strait. Its reflection in the calm sea creates a mirage, a beauty that makes you forget that time is passing. There's an unspoken romance as your feet step on this path. Accompanied by the gentle Mamiri breeze, carrying the scent of the sea, it gently greets your face. It's not just the breeze, but a warm greeting from Makassar that never sleeps. All around you, crisp laughter can be heard, mingling with the gentle lapping of the waves. Tall buildings in the distance serve as a backdrop, contrasting yet harmonious with the tranquility this place offers. CPI at night isn't just a pile of concrete and asphalt on the sea. It's proof that Makassar continues to improve, growing into a beautiful giant. A place where modernity embraces tradition. A place where longing is often left for the horizon, now shimmering with city lights. Thank you for accompanying me all day. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss my latest updates. See you in the next video.